Hello, everybody. This is Maxine Taylor, America's first licensed astrologer with practical astrology. And that's how I look at astrology. It is a cosmic science. It's a magical science. It's amazing. And it is used, the way I use it, very practically to help you get through anything. If I can tell you how long a situation is going to last, for example, that gives you hope. The problems that we have, often we think, oh, it's terrible, it's going to stay terrible, I'm never going to recover from it. No, there is always a morning after. And the beauty of astrology is it can tell you when things are going to improve. Now, what I'm doing on these shows is talking about how to use astrology in tough times to get you through. And today we are talking about, as you can probably tell by my outfit, great, grand, glorious Leo. And Leo is saying, yes, that's true. We are great, grand, glorious Leo. And when I do a talk or a video on Leo, I always say great, grand, glorious Leo, because the show does not begin. The party does not start. The meeting does not move forward until Leo arrives. And that's just how it is, and we know that. Now, once a year, the sun enters Leo. And you Leonians know that. That's July 23rd to August 22nd, plus or minus. It's always around the 21st, but some signs are always the 23rd. That's just what's so. And when the sun is in Leo, it brings Venus, the planet of love, and Mercury, the planet of our conscious mind, along with it. Well, it doesn't bring it, but that's how it feels. That's how it looks. And so you can take it to the bank that once a year, between July 23rd, plus or minus, and August 22nd, the sun is going to be in your sign. The sun is the giver of life. It is the center of our universe. And Leo, I can hear you saying, yes, and that's how it should be. Leo has an innate self-confidence. Even the shy Leos have a certain amount of self-confidence that other signs do not have. Now, other signs can act like they have it. But Leo, you got it, baby. That is what the sun in Leo does. The sun rules Leo. So when it returns to Leo once a year, from July 23rd to August 22nd, you really come into your own and your confidence soars. And the thing I love about Leos, and I have a dear friend who is a Leo, is, excuse me, pollen season here in Atlanta. The thing is that they make life a party. They make it a happening, an event. They have a dramatic quality. You have a dramatic quality about you. That when you tell a story, people hang on your every word. And there are other signs who wish they had that gift. And so when the sun is in Leo, life is brighter because you're brighter. And people, you're like a magnet. They gather around you, children especially. I have said that to a Leo, life is a game. and they just want you to play it with them. And that's the thing. Leo loves games, whether gambling, football, baseball, basketball, sports, board games, crossword puzzle. It doesn't matter. Leo loves games because Leo, while Leo is the king or queen of beasts, is a child at heart. Leos are a magnet for children and pets as well, because pets are our kids. And so when Leo is there, the natural inclination is to play. That's what kids do. And so if you are a Leo, you naturally have to enjoy. You have to play. And Leo, you love the finest in everything. Now, I know that brushed silver is very popular, but Leo, your color is gold, like the sun. And so here you are, you walk into a room, you don't just slip in unobtrusively. You make an entrance. I don't mean that you're honking your horn in the parking lot. I don't mean that you're causing a scene. It's just your stature, who you are. And you're happy to see people. And you're saying, play with me. Now, it's not enough for you to know you're great. You want other people to know you're great. And you want them to tell you that they know you are great. So be aware that you are vulnerable to compliments, okay? If somebody says to you, I love that sweater on you, they've made your day. They have recognized your great, grand wonderfulness and how that sweater just looks terrific on you, okay? Now, if somebody compliments you, you're a very generous person. You will turn around and repay the compliment. I've noticed that about Leos. You can receive a compliment. A lot of people can't. I'm not going to point fingers and talk about which sun signs. You are able to receive a compliment, and that is a gift that you give the one making the compliment. Because if somebody compliments you, and you say, "Oh well, no, that's no," it's like slapping him in the face, isn't it? And you would never think of doing that. You include them in the compliment by complimenting them. And it becomes a mutual admiration society, doesn't it? And so when the sun is in your sign, you come into your own and truly exhibit the greatness, the grandness, and the wonderfulness that you bring with you everywhere you go.